Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you guys. I talked to you guys on my previous video that I wanted to do a little bit more, incorporate some other things in my video that's not hair related. So my friend gave me a gift. She had this gift for me all the way from Christmas time, and she didn't get a chance to bring it, and she brought it, and I want to unbox with you guys so you guys can do this with me. So let's see what's in here. This is a nice little pretty box that she got for me. So let's open it together, okay? Okay. Oh, okay. Look at that. This is So anyway, I'm back. I got interrupted with the phone, but I'm back. I wanted to show you guys this. This is nice. My friend, she makes t-shirts. She's standing right behind the camera for you guys, so she can do this video for me. But it says a strong, black, and proud woman. I really love this. I probably will even wear it for you guys. So let's just look at the other one and see what it is. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. So I like this. This is a hoodie. Can you guys see it? Should I bring it closer to the camera? Oh, that's cute. Black excellence. It's springtime. It's not too cold, but it's not too the weather is perfect for this. So I'm probably gonna be rocking this very soon out here. That's really cool. So I talked to you guys in my other video that I wanted to support women, empower women business. My friend has a small business and she does different things, and I really like this shirt. I told you before, she's behind the camera because I wanted to capture this, so she would come back here with me, and then we can talk about, you know, what she's into and what her other social media are. If you just want to go to her page and stalk her, that would be perfect. This is really nice. I'm going to be wearing this. Okay, guys, so I changed and wore my shirt. Can you guys see? I'll come closer. You see that? All right, I'm going to go back. I'm going to step back. This is my friend Andrea. She's the designer of the shirt. Thank you so much for the shirt, ma'am. You're welcome. Alright, so I'm going to put all the info about her business, her Instagram, her Facebook, whatever, so in the description below. So make sure you check her out. Go and stalk her on her page, like I said before. And you tell us about your business.
Hi everyone, my name is Andrea. I'm the maker of Horatio's t-shirt and her hoodie. My designs are usually geared to women empowerment. However, I make t-shirts, I make hoodies, I make sweatpants, I design them. I have a couple clients that have companies that I make their uniforms. I help some of my friends who have small businesses. I support them and I help them. Sometimes you have clients that you want to make a basket for just to thank them for their business. I do that. I design pillows. Anything that can have a design on it, I can do it. You know, like I said, I support small businesses, women empowerment. This is the time, especially when we're home with COVID. When you're shopping, try to find, you know, small businesses that you can support. I myself support small businesses. I purchase all my items, all my blanks from small business owners. So, you know, if you guys can do the same, that'd be great. I'm a small business owner, so, you know, I'm trying to build my business. Thank you for listening.
All right, so yeah, go to her page and support her just like you support me, okay? Thank you so much for watching today. Today wasn't about color, but I'll follow up with some good color stuff so you guys can enjoy what you like what you come here to come and see. Comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I have a new video. We keep saying it, but just go ahead and hit the bell notification so you can keep me alive and keep me going. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.